Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on creating an automation in Zapier. My name is Shem, and I'll be guiding you through this step-by-step process. Step number one, creating a Zapier account. So currently we are on our web browser. Let's go ahead and type in zapier.com. So while it's loading, just to give you a short description of Zapier, it is an easy automation for busy people, and it moves information between our web apps automatically so we can focus on our most important work. So let's go ahead and click on sign up button here, or we can click on start free with email. Or if you are already logged into your device with your Google account, you can click on start free with Google. Now, either or, you click on start free with email or sign up, you will be routed to the same page, which is this one, asking you to enter your work email, your first and last name, and click on get started for free. So let's go ahead and do that. Then it will route us to this page asking us to set up a password for our Zapier account. So let's do that and click on get started for free. For step number two, it's going to be selecting your role and company size. So here, let's just close this one and click on I'm not a robot so we can proceed. Okay, there we go. So selecting our rule and the company size. So here we have suggested rules that's best for you, or click on others and specify your rule, but that's optional. So let's say, for example, others, if you're focused on marketing campaigns, you can put here marketer, or we have marketing and marketing ops or operator. So let's say, for example, as for mine, let's say customer support ops or operator. I'll click on that. And for the company size, especially for beginners, we can just simply click on 1 to 49. Then step number three, selecting apps relevant to your role. This is optional and not really required to set it up now. So you can simply click on skip question or select the apps that you have been using. So let's say, for example, I do use WhatsApp. I'm going to click on that. Google Drive, Slack, Gmail, Google Forms. You can select as many as you want as long as you have those or you're familiar with those apps that you're selecting. Okay, once done, you just have to click on continue. So now we're here on our Zapier account, and let's go ahead and navigate this account. So before we start exploring our account, our Zapier account, let's go verify our email address first by checking our email, the one that we link to this account, so we won't have a problem creating our automation later. So let's see. So as you can see, I got this email from Zapier. It's asking me to confirm my email address. So let's click on that. And then it will ask us to log into our Zapier account. So enter your credentials. Okay, so by doing that, you have successfully confirmed your email address linked to your Zapier account. So now let's go back to Zapier's home page, which is this one. So as you can see, there are popular templates that we can actually use on the right-hand side of our screen. These are based on the apps that we selected earlier. For example, automation from Gmail to our Google Sheets and many more if we are going to click on this arrow right here. So we will not talk much of each of these templates because we're going to create our own. So let's proceed to step number four, creating a new Zap. So let's click on Zap Automated Workflows. This will take us to the Zap editor where we can start creating our own automation. So we have two options here. We can utilize the Copilot beta option for easy automation or create our own automation, which is right here. Let's proceed to step number 5, choosing the trigger app. So we're going to select this option. So click on trigger. And on this example, we will select an app that will serve as the trigger app. So let's say, for example, let's select Google Drive as the trigger app, then select a trigger event. So under a trigger event, we have several options here. We have new file in folder, new folder, updated file, and so on and so forth. So for now, let's select new file in folder. This trigger, when a new file is created within, move to or uploaded directly to a specific folder, but not in subfolders. Let's click on that. And let's go ahead and link our Google account or Google Drive account. So as you can see, it's automatic here. It's already linked my own account. And then let's click on continue. For step number 6, it's the configuration part. So selecting value for the drive, let's go ahead and click on that. And it will show my Google Drive. Just click on it. And under folders, you have to select folders that you want to trigger. So I'm going to select VAU assignment. This is one of the folders located in my Google Drive. And then you have 3 options to select under include deleted files. We have only return deleted files, return both deleted and non-deleted files, or only return non-deleted files. So let's say, for example, this one. And then click on continue. For step number 7 is testing your Zap. So let's simply click on test trigger. Then it will show you the 3 most recent records in your Google Drive account. And if the record you're looking for is not on the result, you'll just have to click on find new records. So once you do that and you found the specific record from your Google Drive, just go ahead and select on that file. So let's say, for example, file C. After clicking on it, it will show you the details of that file, but not in words, as you have noticed. It's like a code. You'll just have to click on continue with the selected record. And then once done, we're down to step number 8, connecting the trigger app. So in this example, I'm going to connect it to my Gmail. So let's select Gmail here. Then let's select an action event. So we have several options here like add label to email, create draft reply, and so on and so forth. So let's say, for example, add label to email and then link your Gmail account and then click on continue. Now for step number 9, we are on the configuration part again. So let's select a label. These are folders on our Gmail account. So for example, let's say inbox. Then we have suggested messages that we can choose from under create message. So let's say, for example, these are not the messages that you'd like to automate. Like you can just simply click on load more. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is the message that I'd like to automate. So Zapier was granted access to your Google account, shimrose1995 at gmail.com. If you did not grant access, you should check this activity and secure your account. Check activity, you can also see security. So let's click on that and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you just need to click on test step and then publish. Now it's publishing. Let's just wait for it. And there you go. Your Zap has been published and it's on and using the version 1. So it's now live. So just go to home. Okay, now that our Zap is live, let us double check. Let's go to the left side of our screen and click on Zaps. And let's ensure that this one here, on checking the status, this is enabled. So it should show Zap is on. So from now on, whenever our trigger event occurs, we will be notified on our Gmail. So that's it. We have successfully created an automation in our Google Drive that integrates to our Gmail. And by following these steps, you can create your own custom automations to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day, everyone.